Hello my students, how are you prep 1? Today we'll review from معاصر book first term in this year 2026, okay? First model from Cairo Governorate. First question here, first group, choose the correct answer. Number 1, if x over 15 equal to over 5, then x equal. We know 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 equals 6, then the value of x equal 6. Or the product of extremes equal product of means. 2 times 15 equals 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Choose letter A. Understood? Listen to me about the steps. We can write x equals the product of extremes equal product of means. 2 times 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. And the value of x equals 6. Next question. Number 2. If the original point is the midpoint of A and B, then B is the additive inverse about B and C. Okay. Like this. We have all original point is the midpoint between A and B. We have A5 and negative 2. We can find the order of P. 5 plus negative 5 equal 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. Then we have here negative 5. And y equals the additive inverse of negative 2 equal 2. Then we have negative 5 and 2. The answer here, letter D. Number 3, the quadral has how many diagonals? Has 2 diagonals, like the square. Square is a quadral. Quadral meaning the polygon has 4 sides. And the number of diagonal will be 2 diagonal. Or you can use the rule n product by n minus 3 divided by 2 to find the number of diagonal. Write this rule. In here, reverse 2 is the number of sides. We have 4 sides of quadral. 4 times 4 minus 3 over 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 times 4, 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Or you can draw and count the number of diagonals of this figure. The number of diagonal, it will be 2. Next question. We have 2 straight line intersection at one point M. He wants to find the measure of angle X. We know CD intersection EB as a point M. Then the measure of angle BMD equal measure of angle EMC. We call it vertical opposite angles. Then 2x equals 60. 2 times what equals 60? 2 times 30. Then the value of x here equals 30. Next question. Number 5. An airplane model is made with a scale 1 to 1000. The length of the model is 7.5 centimeters. Then the real length of the airplane equal. We have the ratio between drawing in the length and drawing in the reality. Do you know? Steps about this example. We have scale of drawing. He gave me the scale. The scale equal the ratio between drawing in the length to drawing in the reality. The ratio between together was 1 to 1000. And he gave me the length model is 7.5 centimeter in the draw. Draw in the length 7.5 centimeter. We want to find the length in the reality by meter. To convert from centimeter to meter, you must divide it by 100. Then x here is to drawings in the reality. X equal 1000 product by 7.5 divided by 1. Product by 1000, move the point right hand side by 3 places. 7, 5, double 0. And the order here was centimeter. To convert from centimeter to meter, you must divide it by 100. The result will be 75 meter. Choose letter D about question number 5. Next example. We have steam and leaf plot here. You want to find the median. We can find the median now. First number was 31. Write with me, 31. And second, look at here, 3 and 4 here. 3 is the tens, 4 is the ones, it will be 34. And then 36. 40. 47. Look at here, it says steam and the leaves. 5 and 3, 53. 55, 56, and then 62, the last one. Okay, we can find the median. The number lies in the middle. Okay, count with me. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 47, we called it the median. The median will be 47. Choose letter B about question number 6. Next question, number 7. The mean of the values 5, 7, 1, 4, and 3 are equal. We can find the mean sum of all values divided by the number of value. 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 divided by also 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Next question. The measure of angle is 100 degrees. The measure of supplementary angles equal. Supplementary equals sum of them equal 180. 180 subtract from 100 equal 80 degrees. The answer here will be 80 degree. Okay, choose letter A about question letter 8. Question number 8, let's choose letter A. The answer will be letter A. Next question. The opposite box plot. The value of representing the first quadrant here 6. 6 refers to the first quadrant. The answer will be letter B. 3 is the minimum. 11 maximum. The median was 9. The third quadrant 10. First quadrant 6. Then the answer will be letter B. Second question. By using the opposite Venn diagram, find the intersection between two sets and the union. Okay, the intersection between x and y, we can write number 5. And x union y. The union between together, rate 2, 3, 5, and 7. Two expressions. Right here, commutative properties and associative. Also, to find the result, we have 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to x minus y plus 8. Write 2x plus x and 3y minus y minus 5 plus 8. 2x plus x equal 3x. 3y minus y equal 2y. Negative 5 plus 8 equal 3. Then the answer will be 3x plus 2y plus 3. Understood? Next question. Number 3. Man wants to divide 5,000 Egyptian lira between his two sons with ratio 2 to 3. Calculate the share of each one. Okay. First step, we can find the sum of all parties. 2 plus 3 or 5. First, 2 the second, the ratio 2 to 3 to the sum. The ratio 2 to 3, 2 plus 3, 5. And the total money was 5,000. We can draw this method. X here reverse to the first and Y the share with the second. Then the ratio was 2 to 3 and summation was 5. 5,000 divided by 5 equal 1,000. Then the value of each part equal 5,000 divided by 5 equal 1,000 Egyptian lira. And the share of the first son, the first, will take two parts. 2 product by 1,000 equal 2,000 Egyptian lira. And second, 3 times 1,000 equal 3 product by 1,000 equal 3,000 Egyptian lira. Understood? Next question. Number 4. In the opposite figure, you want to find the measure of angle C and measure of angle D. Okay, we have here parallel to DC and BC and AD are transversals. two straight lines. Then measure of angle BC equal plus measure of angle B equal 180. We call the supplementary angles in the same direction transversal. And also here D plus A equal 180. Okay, I will write the steps first, such that AB was parallel to CD and the straight line BC is transversal of them. Then measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal 180 degree. We call them two interior angles of the same side of the transversal, supplementary angles. Okay, and also you can find the answer about measure of angle C. Right, 180 subtract the measure of angle B 100 equal 80 degree, such that ABCD is a quadral okay. Then we can find measure of angle D also, or you can use the transversal AD by together. We have quadral, sum of interior angle equals 360. Then measure of angle D equals 360, subtract the sum of interior angle. We have 50, 100, and also we found the angle C was 80. Right, 360 is the sum of them, right, 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 1, 2. And the result will be 130 degree. Or you can use the other method, right, DC parallel to AB and AD transversal of them is the measure of angle A plus measure of angle D equal 180. 180 subtract by 50 equal 130 degree. You can use the other method. Okay, next question, we have pie chart here. He give me the information first. How many students prefer banana? We have 40% from the total. 40%, 40 over 100 times 150. Right, 40%, 40 over 100 times 150. 40 divided by 100 times 150 equals 60. Then the number of students like banana, it will be 60 students. Okay, next question. What is the percentage of students who prefer peach? You can collect all together and subtract from 100%. Okay, you want to find the percentage about letter B. Write 100 percentage, subtract the sum of all percentage here. Okay, letter B. Write 100%, subtract the sum of integer 35% and also 40% and 20. Write 100%, subtract by 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Then the result will be 5%. Next question, letter C. Calculate the measure of the center angle of the sector. Here 35%. 35 over 100 product by 360 to find the center of angle, measure of center angle. Cancel 0 by 0, or 36 times 35 divided by 10. The result will be 90 degree. Okay. Again 35 times 36 divided by 10 equal 126 degree. Next question. The opposite figure finds the value of y. We have here triangle, the sum of interior angle equal 180. And then we have y plus 2y plus 3y equal 180. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6y equal 180. We can divide it by 6. 180 divided by 6 equal 30. In the measure of y equals 30 degree. Next question. The opposite figure, we have two straight line parallel and each of them is the measure of angle E equal measure of angle C. We called it corresponding angles. And the measure of angle X equal 126 divided by 3. Okay, understood. He want to find what? Calculate reflex of angle E first. Okay, we can find reflex angle E 360 subtracted by 126. This question here, you want to calculate the reflex angle of X, measure of reflex angle E equal 360 subtract by 126. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 5 minus 2 equal 3. 3 minus 1 equal 2. It will be 234 degree. Such that straight line or the ray AB parallel to CD and AE is transversal of them. Then measure of angle A equal measure of angle C, corresponding angles. Measure of angle A equal measure of angle C equal 126. So we call that corresponding angles. Then we can raise the relation between together. 3x equal 126. Then the value of measure of angle X, 12 divided by 3, 4, 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Then X equal 42. Next question. Okay, the last question now. Okay, my students, goodbye.